In this video we're going to be unboxing this Black+Decker 12 cup programmable coffee maker. It's a digital controls and quick touch programming. Sneaker cup feature, 2-hour shut off. Brew basket's washable. All the features it contains. Quick touch programming. It's all like bilingual. Like written in both English, I think also Spanish too. It's a digital clock with controls, auto brew, cord storage, Sneaker cup feature, easy view water, brew baskets, easily filters cone, basket filter. It's like all in Spanish on. It's like giving a number to call in case you have questions or anything like the customer service lines and shit like that. Instruction guide. Small numbers to CM 1060. And if you give me a second here, I'm just gonna then we'll get the rest of this out of the box. Now we'll proceed with the actual unboxing part. Just hiding that with the box. Try to pull some of this out of the box. Following your camera would is not a good idea. So I would say buy a tripod when you do videos. See, 12 cup coffee pot here. Capable of holding 12 cups. Excuse me for a second. So it's got like program, auto, on, off, hour, minute. It might have a clock built into it. It's a two-prong. The plug is the prong's a two-prong setup. I was gonna have a good pair of scissors. I know, but that's it's like everything's all tacked here. This is yeah, it's like you wash it. Yeah, tackle its 12 cups. Just put this in there.